All right, so if you want to use Thunderstorm Mod Manager to mod Repo or any other number of games that it does support, it's really easy. Just download the installer and run that. I've already installed it. So once you have it installed, you're going to want to just go ahead and open it up. So I'm going to open it up here, and you should see a screen like this. Now, these are all the games that are supported by it. There's quite a few, as you can see. Some of the mods are going to be client side, where you have to have it installed on every computer to work playing a multiplayer, and some are just host or server sided, where only the host or the server needs to have them installed. We're just going to search for repo and select game. And then this is your profile selection, so you can have multiple profiles. My default has a bunch of mods on it already. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a new profile here and just call it new and create. And then now the new one is selected there. And then we're going to go import, and you import from code, and then you paste in the code of whatever everyone else is going to be using, and then continue. And it'll show you all the mods that are available there. Like I said, I've got a lot on mine. It's import and update existing profile. So I'm going to update the new one there. Click. And then we go ahead and select profile. You can see all the mods. Now you can install all the mods that you want to, but say if you want to play and turn off late join, you can just disable that. Or even more, you can disable those individually, but everyone playing multiplayer will need to disable the same one. So it's probably just easiest to have a code that matches. And then once everything's here, as long as it doesn't say update at the top, you just go ahead and click modded, and it will launch repo modded. You'll get a command line box that pops up, and it's just going to basically go through, and it's preloading everything, all the textures and shaders and software things on there that I really don't understand. And it is depending on your internet connection, since it's probably downloading these or extracting them. I don't know. It's going to take a bit of time, maybe a minute or two. And this also depends on how many mods you have installed as well. If you have less mods installed, this will go a lot faster. Okay. Now the game did launch on my other screen. I'll just move it over here. So then once the game launches, depending on what you have, you might have a mods menu. One mod that I really do recommend for some people is the controller support mod. It works really well for like native controller support, so that's nice. And then if you just go like to host a game, I guess I have to just load this one that already exists. A lot of the cosmetic mods you can access from right within the menu here. So you do more head, and you can change all these other things on there. And there's the mods menu as well. So again, it all depends. What you see here depends on what mods you have installed. But that should be it.